Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today I'm quickly going to show you how to turn off vibration on character AI. If you are getting those little buzzes and find them distracting, don't worry, I have got you covered. Let's jump right in. Alright, here's the step-by-step process. First of all, open your character AI app and make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you are inside, you can see your chat section. This is how your chat section look like. Now tap on your profile icon, which is in top right corner, and this will open your profile page. And on the profile page, you can see your setting icon in top right corner. Tap on it, which will open your settings. Now scroll down to the preference section. It's over here. And on the preferences, you can see an option for haptic off and haptic on. Haptic on denotes that your vibration is on, and opposite haptic off denotes your vibration is off. In order to turn off or disable your vibration, simply tap on haptic off and done. It's super simple, but it makes a world of difference, especially if you are someone who prefers less distraction when using character AI. Now you can enjoy a seamless, uninterrupted conversation without the buzz. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.